Irregular tribes. A Dravidian ethnic group inhabit the forest fringes of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. These tribes depend on the forest produce for their livelihood. They do not practice agriculture and work as farm laborers, construction workers and snake charmers. With little to support them economically, the irregular tribes survive on forest produce. IFGTB, Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding, wanted to uplift the livelihood of the tribes and to reduce their dependency on forest resources. IFGTB is one of the iconic institutes under ICFRE working towards achieving a wood-secure society. They work with a mission to secure genetic stocks of tree resources and reduce environment degradation. IFGTB had come up with an idea to support the irregulars economically. To ensure that the tribals are to benefit economically is to secure their livelihood and to make them achieve their financial goals. Empowerment can be the only way to uplift their social and economic status and reduce their dependency on forest produce. For this reason, IFGTB's R&D unit developed an organic bioproduct, namely Tree-Rich Bio Booster, an alternate to potting mixture for raising nursery. It is a nutritionally enriched potting mixture for use in home gardens, kitchen garden, terrace gardens and similar applications to grow vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants. It has a huge demand in the local, domestic and international markets. The Tree-Rich Bio Booster is an integrated strategy to manage growth, pests and diseases and can be used to produce quality planting stock for farm and plantation forestry. Tree-Rich Bio Booster is developed by utilizing organic material and is an environmentally safe product and it does not cause pollution. Tree-Rich Bio Booster pellet is decomposed organic material along with FYM, PGPRs, PPFM and AM fungi in a suitable proportion and made into a disc pellet blocks of various sizes. The EC is 0.23 and the pH is 6.4. One pellet block will expand to 7 folds height after adding water to saturation in a standard polybags for raising seedlings, saplings. It holds water capacity of 500 times and requires less irrigation and frequency. The Tree-Rich Bio Booster can be used to raise important forest tree species like eucalyptus, casuarina, teak, ailanthus, gmelina and Neolomarchia species, vegetables, flower and ornamental plants. The pellets are not expensive and the growers will be spending very less for raising quality planting stock. Also, the growth-promoting efficiency of the pellets will be an added benefit. In order to implement the production of Tree-Rich Bio Booster among the irregular tribes, irregular hamlets in and around the forest fringes were selected and interested irregular women were formed into women self-help groups. The WSHG were given an on-site demonstration of making the Tree-Rich Bio Booster pellets. The women understood the nature and technicality of the process. Organic cocoa peat and other biological raw material needed for the pellet were procured locally. To help the tribes procure raw materials, IFGTB, along with Science and Technology, NRDMS, NGP Division, Government of India, took part in the Swachh Bharat mission and collected municipal solid waste such as vegetables and flowers from Big Bazaar Market, TK Market, Udavar Sandai and Flower Market located across Coimbatore. The collected wastes were made into compost which will be added into TRB to enhance the nutritional quality to increase the yield of crops, thereby supporting waste management. The tribes were taught to process, compost the solid wastes and mix it with coir pith in appropriate proportions to develop TRB. This base was made into pellet disc using hydraulic machines. Disc-making machines and other infrastructure were established in IFGTB, Coimbatore. The Bio Booster pellets were produced in large scale and marketing linkages were formed between various associations such as agriculture, horticulture and forestry crop, vegetable growers, medicinal plants growers, organic farmers and floriculturists. Also, sell-through product sales counter opened in IFGTB, Coimbatore campus. As the demand for the Tree-Rich Bio Booster pellets increases, the tribes will be economically well off and they will have sufficient life without depending on forest resources. The hamlets will have improved quality of life and a promising future. IFGTB has facilitated tribal entrepreneurs securing their life and a bright future. IFGTB's efforts have laid the foundation for an honorable livelihood for the Irregular tribes, creating a sense of freedom and balance in their life. IFGTB's efforts have not only curtailed Irregular tribes from depending on forest resources, they have paved the way for the upliftment of Irregular tribes' livelihood.